everyone. Welcome to Royal Group of Atomy. My name is Samta and I am from Chandigarh. So let's begin with the presentation for which we are here. So first we'll talk about the profile of the company. So it has been started in 2006 from South Korea, and globally it has been started from USA, United States of America in 2010. And then it is running successfully in 16 countries. And if I talk about the company's turnover, that is $1.38 billion. That is the huge amount. If I talk about the global rank, that is 11th rank in top 100 companies in direct selling industry. More than 2.5 lakh people became multi-millionaire just because of the Atomy. The people are working for the Atomy. That is why they have become now multi-millionaires. Atomy share is listed in NYSE, trading value around rupees 13,000. Atomy works in GSGS formula, that is global sources, global sales. And now the slogan. Company's slogan is absolute quality and absolute price. This is a joint venture of two units of South Korea government, that is KERI and Kolmar. And now we'll talk about the KERI, that is Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. KERI was established in 1959. It is a Korea government research center with more than 1500 PhD and 4000 plus member of researchers. Ranked number 2 in the world research center after American NASA. Main technologies are radiation and biotechnology. And it has been developed the world's first radiopharmaceutical Millikan injection for treating liver cancer. And now we'll talk about the Kolmar. That is the second root of the Atomy. Kolmar. What is Kolmar? Kolmar is a manufacturing unit of South Korea government. It have been produced more than 20,000 kinds of prescription products that are leading and cutting edge fashion by predicting the fast changing world trends. And it works on OEM and ODM, that is original equipment manufacturer and original design manufacturer. Korea Kolmar Atomy, that is Korea Kolmar Limited. That is the global network of the Kolmar. Wherever the Atomy goes, similarly with the Atomy, Kolmar also goes with the state and the country. So that is the global network of the Kolmar. 500 clients worldwide. Amway, Forever Living, then Organo. These are one of the 500 clients worldwide. These are the R&D centers, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, health supplements of the Kolmar. This is the head office of the Atomy. This is the Atomic Park. Distribution hub. KERI plus Kolmar equals to Atomy. KERI is the R&D sector and the initiation of the products that is done by the Kolmar, and then the distribution done by the Atomy. Broadcasting distributor and the online shopping. He is the chairman, the CEO of the company, Mr. Henry Mohan. He entered in the network marketing industry in 1922. Firstly, he has started from Australia, and then in 1995 he has achieved top network marketing position in 1995, just in 3 years. And then in 1999 received top award for network marketing, and then he became the first president of Network Marketing Leaders Club. And these are the magazines which we can see, that Fortune and the Forbes, that the top class magazines of the world, where we see the billionaires pictures. So we can see that we are working with such a company whose CEO is in the world class magazine, that is the Fortune and the Forbes. He is the managing director of Atomy India, Dr. Sheikh Imtiaz Ali. This is the India office, that is in the Magnum Tower, Sector 58, Golf Course, Gurgaon. And the logistics, if I'll talk about the logistics, that how the distribution is going to be happen in the India, that is through the Darcel, that is one of the top company in India of the courier partner, that is Darcel Logistics, done by established in 1986, and revenue that is 2,311 crore in 2018. Atomy India Darcel Logistics. They have worked for Pepsi, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Reliance. These are the companies for which the Darcel works. And the Ministry of Corporation Affairs. Atomy has launched in India. First, he has registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is mandatory for each and every company who is working in India. This is the LLP master data of the company. It has been launched in India with capital 10 crore 50 lakhs. That is the huge amount. And registered with the name of Atomy Enterprise India Private Limited. This is the Global Success Academy. And this is the segments for which we can work here. Range, you can see in the picture, that is the health, skin, personal, home, and for the females, kitchen and the male. And in which segment we are comfortable, in that segment we can work over here. So it depends on your interest and on your comfortability in which you are comfortable. So you can work according to that segment. Master product, that is HemoHim. So which is good for the health and which is good for the heart as well. Atomy Healthcare. Hemo plus Hem. Hemoglobin, hematopoiesis, immunity, modulate. HemoHim, good for the heart patients and good for your heart. Just because of the HemoHim, the 4th stage cancer patient has been cured by the HemoHim. Why? Because he was using the HemoHim and now he is working as a star master for the Atomy. That is the B propolis, Atomy toothpaste, good for the dental care, removes your dental plaque, prevents tartar deposition, prevents dental cavities, removes bad breath. This is the Alaska Omega 3, good for eyes and good for the proper functioning of the cells, good for the blood circulation because in this product Omega 3 is present. And this is the iotine, helps in maintenance of normal vision and eyesight, helps to improve night vision, that is night blindness, helps reducing inflammation and conjunctivitis of the eyes. It also helps in eye disorders such as macular degeneration and other retinal complications. This is the probiotics, Atomy probiotics. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of chronic disease, may help you manage a high blood pressure, may lower your risk of heart disease, boost your immunity. Herbal shampoo, good for the hair, good for the roots of your hair. If your roots will be more healthy and your hair will shine and it will grow more long. Atomy Hair Essential Oil, a lightweight hair oil that is infused and essential oils to provide nourishing moisture for dry and brittle hair. This is the Atomy Care Special, solve your skin troubles with this refreshing, clear and vibrant skincare system. Atomy Evening Care, first deep cleansing and then foam cleansing, then peeling gel and then the peel-off mask. Skincare 6 system, toner, lotion, essence and the nutrition cream, eye cream and the BB cream is present in here. Atomy Men's Care, toner, lotion and the essence. This is Atomy Calming Care Special. Atomy Rose Rain Mist, rose water at natural state. Hand therapy, rose water. It smooths your hand, soft your hands. Atomy Color Your Day with Atomy. This is for the females. The cosmetics. Atomy Metallook, 5-layer stainless steel the utensils. Atomy Dish Care, latex gloves, steel scrubber and the dish detergent. The detergent it was good for your hands and it softens your hands as well. Atomy liquid laundry detergent, nature friendly detergent and containing natural cleansing elements. Atomy, the compensation plan. Now we talk about the compensation plan of the Atomy because we want freedom. So that is why we are working for the Atomy. So now we will talk about the compensation plan of the company. The most generic and the freedom compensation plan in the direct selling industry. Free to join, active ID on registration, no package to join, there is no package is required, no repurchase criteria that you have to repurchase on every month, that on a monthly basis, no requirement for this. And no renewal, no website charges. If you are using the website of the Atomy, there is no charges, no atomic reordering, no auto ship. You don't need to sell the products because we are not the salesman here, only 2 direct sponsor in life. Business volume accumulated with the team and 1 global ID for married couple is valid across the world. All levels are permanent, no demotion. This is the Atomy commission structure, how the distribution goes. So 70% distribution will be distributed by the distributors through the 44% matching commission, 30% company share, and 20% mastership bonus and 6% center fee. We'll discuss about all the commissions in detail. Matching binary commission 44%. You just have to spend 1500 to 2000, then you will be getting 10,000 self PVs. And you just have to spend only 2000 rupees and you will be getting 10,000 self PVs. And as I have already told you, just you have to sponsor only 2 persons. That is, one is left and one is right. And after that, from the left and right team, you have to clear 3 lakh PVs left and 3 lakh PVs right. And the matching will be done, and then you will be getting the 5 score points. 1 score point is equals to 264 rupees 20 paisa. And if I talk about the daily capping, then you will be getting 1321 rupees on daily basis. And on the monthly basis, you will be getting 39,630 rupees. And then the level 2. As you have cleared the 3 lakh PVs from left and the right team, and now it's your turn to clear the 3 lakh PVs. When you will clear the 3 lakh PVs, then as the team matching is going on from the left and the right, 3 lakh PVs left and the 3 lakh PVs right, and the score point now increased. 15 points will be getting on the second level, and the daily capping 3,963 rupees, and on the monthly capping, that is 1,18,890 rupees. Level 3, self PVs 7 lakhs, and there is no time foundation for the 7 lakh PVs, because once you clear the 10,000 PVs, you will be getting after spending 2,000 rupees, and the PVs are not going to lapse. So now 7 lakh PVs is equals to 91,000, and from left and the right team, now the 7 lakh PVs left, 7 lakh PVs right. Then the score point will increase to 30 points, and the daily capping 7,926 rupees, and the monthly capping 2,37,780 rupees, and you just have spent only 91,000, and you will be getting 2,37,000. That is the huge amount. So now the level 4, self PVs 15 lakhs, that is 1,95,000. As I have already told you, there is no time foundation for the 15 lakh PVs, because no PV is going to lapse lifetime. Now the left team and the right team, if the left team will clear 15 lakh PVs and the right team will clear 15 lakh PVs, then the score point will increase to 60 points. As you know that the 1 point is equals to 264 rupees 20 paisa, and the daily capping 15,852 rupees, and the monthly capping 4,75,560 rupees. Level 5, self PV 24 lakh PVs, and with the left team and the right team, 24 lakh PVs left and the 24 lakh PVs right. Score point will increase to 90 points. Daily capping 23,778 rupees, and the monthly capping 7,13,340 rupees. Now the level 6, self PV not required. You have cleared 24 lakh PVs. After that, there is no requirement of the self PVs, and with the accumulation of the left and the right team, 60 lakh PVs left, 60 lakh PVs right, and the score point will increase to 150 points, and the daily capping 39,630 rupees, and the monthly capping 11,88,900 rupees. Now the level 7, self PV not required. Left team and the right team, 2 crore PVs left and the 2 crore PVs right. Score point 250. Daily capping 66,050 rupees, and the monthly capping 19,81,500 rupees, whereas self PV not required. Now the level 8, self PV not required, only the matching is required, that is with the left team and the right team, 5 crore PVs left, 5 crore PVs right. Score point will increase to double, 300 points now you will be getting. Daily capping 79,260 rupees, and the monthly capping 23,77,800 rupees. Mastership bonus. Now we will talk about the main income, and that is the mastership bonus. Huge amount of income you are going to earn from the mastership bonus. That is 20% mastership bonus, 10% from the sales master only, and 10% from the rest of the members. This is how the 20% distribution is done by the company. These are the levels: Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master and the Crown Master, and the last level, Imperial Master. Now first we will talk about the Sales Master, that how you can clear the Sales Master. First you have to clear your self PVs, that is the 7 lakh PVs. Once you have cleared the 7 lakh PVs, they are not going to lapse lifetime because you have done it earlier. So now with the accumulation of the left and the right team, you have to clear 25 lakh PVs left and 25 lakh PVs right. Once the matching will be done, you will be getting 70,000 rupees. This is the 15-day cycle, and the matching bonus is going side by side. And then again, if you will clear this 15 days criteria, that is 25 lakh PVs left and the 25 lakh PVs right, and the matching will be done, again 70,000 you will be getting. That is approximately 1,40,000 you can earn if you have achieved the Sales Master per month, and plus the rewards. 2 sets of the Atomy Skin Care and System and 1 set of Atomy Evening Care, free of cost. After that, the second level, Diamond Master. For self PVs required 15 lakh PVs, which you have cleared earlier, and after that, as you have achieved your own level of Sales Master, now with the team you will create 2 Sales Master in the left team and 2 Sales Master in the right team, and there is no foundation that you have to clear this level 15 days, 20 days. No, there is no criteria for that, and matching bonus is going side by side, and approximately you can earn 2,80,000 in per month, and the rewards you will be getting 1 set of Atomy Evening Care and the 2 sets of Atomy Skin Care and System, and plus 1 laptop. Sharon Rose Master. This is the third level of the company. How you can achieve this level? First you have to clear your 24 lakh PVs. Once you have cleared, and then as you have achieved your Diamond Master level, now you have to create 2 Diamond Master in the left and the 2 Diamond Master in the right in your team, and monthly matching is going side by side. Approximately per month you can earn 4,80,000 because 15 days cycle is there. After 15 days you will be getting 2,40,000 if you have cleared the Sharon Rose Master. You have made the 2 Diamond Master in the left and the 2 Diamond Master in the right, and then you have cleared the Sharon Rose Master. The total per month income you will be getting 4,80,000 plus the reward, the cash prize you will be getting, and then the trips you will be getting 2 nights and the 3 days of Southeast Asia free of cost. See the future in Atomy. If a 72 years old woman can achieve the Sharon Rose Master, why not you people? Monthly income 24 lakhs. It's happened only in Atomy, an ultimate career opportunity. This is the 4th level, the Star Master. How you can achieve the Star Master? You have cleared the 24 lakh PV, self PV you have done, and now with the left and the right team, 2 Sharon Rose Master as you have cleared your own. Now you have to create 2 Sharon Rose Masters in the left team and the 2 Sharon Rose Master in the right team. Monthly matching is going side by side, and approximately per month you can earn 7,20,000 per month plus the rewards. 6 lakh rupees the cash prize, and plus the 4 travel tickets for 3 nights and 4 days of Southeast Asia free of cost. 5th level, Royal Master. As you have cleared the 24 lakh PVs, now there is no qualification is required. No self PV is required once you have cleared the 24 lakh PVs. As you have cleared your own level of the Star Master, now you have to create the 2 Star Master in your left team and in your right team as well. Monthly matching plus approximately you can earn 12 lakh rupees monthly per month plus the reward points. 30 lakh rupees you will be getting the cash prize, and plus the 4 travel tickets of Europe, and car rental fee per month 60,000 per month, and the team building 1,20,000. Approximately in 15 days you are earning 6 lakh rupees, and if I calculate of the per month income, that is 12 lakh rupees. Now we will talk about the 6th level of the company. This is the Crown Master. How you can clear your Crown Master? As you have already achieved the Royal Master, now you have to create the 2 Royal Master in the left team and plus the 2 Royal Master in the right team. and your self PV 24 lakh PVs as you have already proven. Plus the matching income you are going to get, plus the mastership bonus 24 lakh rupees you can earn per month if you are achieving the level of Crown Master, plus the rewards, cash prize 1 crore 80 lakhs, and the travel tickets, 4 travel tickets you will be getting free of cost. The trip you will be getting for 10 nights and 11 days for Europe, and the Hyundai Icarus for all 40 lakh rupees equal to it, free of cost, and 3 lakh rupees for the team building. And 15 days cycle, if I'll tell you about 15 days, how much you are earning, 12 lakh rupees, and monthly you are earning 24 lakh rupees, whereas self-PV not required. Now we'll talk about the most important and the prestigious level of our company. This is the Imperial Master. How you can achieve the Imperial Master? Self-PV not required after you have cleared the 24 lakh PVs, and as you have cleared your own level of the Crown Master, now you have to help your team and you have to create 2 Crown Masters in the left team and 2 Crown Masters in the right team. And once you have cleared this 2 Crown Master left and 2 Crown Master right, you will become Imperial Master, whereas self-PV not required for this level. And monthly income you are getting side by side, plus the mastership bonus. 15 days you can earn 35 lakh rupees, and monthly basis you can earn 70 lakh rupees. This is the huge income per month. Plus, if I talk about the rewards of the Imperial Master, cash prize, you are going to get 6 crores cash. This is the huge income, huge amount of income, and even the cash. How you are going to get this 6 crore rupees cash? In front of n number of people. A fabulous seminar is going to be happen for you, and plus the CEO, you are going to meet with the CEO of the company, Mr. Hengelpal. He is going to introduce you as the Imperial Master in front of n number of people, and you are going to get the 6 crore rupees cash. And now after that, the 4 travel tickets of cruise for 10 nights and 11 days for Europe, free of cost. You can imagine how this trip is going to be. You are going to enjoy this trip with the family. And plus the another rewards which you are going to get if you have achieved the level of Imperial Master, 1,50,000 rupees per month for the office rent. Obviously you have achieved the level of the Imperial Master. Now you think about that I should have the office, I should have the driver, I should have my own secretary whom I'll pay the income, whom I'll provide the salary, and even you are not going to pay the salary to your driver, to your secretary on your own. The company will provide the salary to your driver, 50,000 rupees every month for the driver, 50,000 rupees secretary every month, free of cost. Even you are not going to pay a single penny to your driver on your own, by your own money. Company will provide you the money, plus the Hyundai Icarus again 50 lakh rupees, plus the 6 lakh rupees as a debit card, the team building income. Now I'll summarize the team building amount. Imperial Master, the team building 6 lakh rupees. Crown Master, because in the down of the Imperial Master, 4 Crown Masters has been created. 2 Crown Masters in the left and the 2 Crown Masters in the right. Team building income you are getting 12 lakh rupees. It means 16 Crown Masters in the down of the Imperial Master, 19 lakh rupees 20,000. If I tell you the total monthly income, huge amount of income, 37 lakh 20,000, and on the yearly basis 4 crores 46,000. Huge amount of income. You can imagine how your future is going to be if you are working for the Atomy Enterprise India Private Limited. So friends, don't miss this opportunity. God has provided you this opportunity. You can earn huge amount of income. You can earn the success. You can live your life in a happy manner, because we know that happiness will be there in your life with the health plus wealth. Health is required. Atomy is providing you the health and the wealth. So don't lose this opportunity, and please work and make your future. Thank you for your attention. That's it from us.